Your body is a multicellular organism. This means it's made up of trillions of tiny building blocks called cells. Cells are so small that you need a microscope to see them. Even though they're tiny, they are incredibly important because they work together to keep your body alive and healthy. And guess what? You're not alone. All multicellular organisms, that means humans, animals, and even plants, are made of many, many cells working together. But here's something amazing. Every day, millions of your cells die. But don't worry, your body is constantly making brand new ones to replace them. This process is happening all the time, helping you grow, heal, and stay alive. So how does your body make new cells? It all comes down to a process called mitosis. This is how one cell splits into two identical cells, creating perfect copies. Think of it like a photocopier. If your body needs more skin cells to heal a cut, or more bone cells to make your bones stronger, your existing cells copy themselves and divide. Mitosis happens in steps, and each step has a special job. First, the cell prepares by making an exact copy of its DNA, the instructions that tell the cell how to work. Then, the cell lines everything up perfectly, so when it splits, each new cell gets the right set of instructions. Finally, the cell divides into two, and just like that, two new, identical cells are ready to do their job. Mitosis is happening right now, all over your body, keeping you healthy and growing. Thanks for learning.